Top 15 GIS-based project ideas. 1. Urban Planning and Management System. Develop a GIS application to assist urban planners in analyzing land use, infrastructure, and demographics for efficient city planning and management. 2. Disaster Management and Response System. Create a GIS platform to visualize and analyze spatial data related to natural disasters, facilitating better preparedness, response coordination, and post-disaster recovery efforts. 3. Precision Agriculture Monitoring. Design a GIS solution to monitor crop health, soil moisture levels, and weather patterns for precision agriculture, enabling farmers to optimize resource usage and improve crop yield. 4. Wildlife Conservation and Habitat Mapping. Utilize GIS technology to map wildlife habitats, migration patterns, and biodiversity hotspots to aid conservation efforts and mitigate human-wildlife conflicts. 5. Transportation Network Optimization. Develop a GIS application to analyze traffic flow, optimize transportation routes, and plan infrastructure improvements to enhance urban mobility and reduce congestion. 6. Environmental Impact Assessment. Create a GIS tool for conducting environmental impact assessments of proposed infrastructure projects, allowing stakeholders to evaluate potential environmental risks and mitigate negative impacts. 7. Healthcare Accessibility Analysis. Use GIS to analyze healthcare facility locations, population demographics, and accessibility factors to identify underserved areas and improve healthcare service delivery. 8. Tourism and Cultural Heritage Mapping. Develop a GIS platform to map tourist attractions, cultural heritage sites, and historical landmarks, providing tourists with interactive guides and preserving cultural heritage. 9. Water Resource Management System. Design a GIS application to monitor and manage water resources, including groundwater levels, surface water quality, and watershed management to ensure sustainable water use. 10. Climate Change Impact Assessment. Utilize GIS technology to assess the impact of climate change on ecosystems, coastal areas, and vulnerable communities, aiding in adaptation planning and resilience building efforts. 11. Smart City Dashboard. Create a GIS-based dashboard to visualize real-time data on urban infrastructure, energy consumption, waste management, and air quality, supporting data-driven decision-making for smart city initiatives. 12. Land Use Change Detection. Develop a GIS tool to analyze historical satellite imagery and detect changes in land use patterns over time, supporting land management, conservation, and urban planning initiatives. 13. Electric Vehicle Charging Station Planning. Use GIS to identify suitable locations for electric vehicle charging stations based on traffic flow, infrastructure availability, and user demand, promoting the adoption of electric vehicles. 14. Spatial Crime Analysis. Design a GIS application to analyze crime data, identify crime hotspots, and support law enforcement agencies in crime prevention and resource allocation strategies. 15. Remote Sensing for Natural Resource Monitoring. Utilize remote sensing data and GIS techniques to monitor deforestation,